Hello, a very good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. So my name is Bhavneet, and today we will, talk about the next projections of Bank Nifty. We will do market profile analysis, and before starting that, I would like to tell you all that this is market profile combo course. This is what I teach. If you want to learn market profile analysis, volume profile, and order flow analysis, you can join this batch. You can contact us on this number 95996 34604. All right, and you can join our March batch. The registration for March batch is open, right? And you can join, enroll for the course anytime if you want. So let us now move ahead with the you know analysis of Bank Nifty. So this is our Bank Nifty channel. If you want to join it, this is the channel. You can search on Telegram by the name @StockPro Bank Nifty Club. You can join it anytime you want, right? And this is what we posted yesterday related to Bank Nifty, right? And this is what I was expecting, right? That if at all there is upward retracement, then Bank Nifty might take ultimately rejection, right? Our mood was ultimately bearish only related to Bank Nifty, because obviously this particular day was carrying good amount of the expiry day was carrying good amount of short positions in Bank Nifty. So obviously, when today market opened gap up, and immediately, swiftly in the first 5 minutes it covered both 31,300 level as well as 31,390. Both the levels got covered by Bank Nifty, but obviously it had to take rejection from anywhere, and it finally took the rejection at the starting of auctioning point, downward auctioning point of Bank Nifty. Obviously downward auctioning, it started from here, not exactly from here, but yeah, basically downward trend actually started from here. It covered all of that stretch in just first 15 minutes, and after that it slightly started showing retracement, and finally it gave a big dip. So obviously, so hope you all got some help from the analysis that we posted related to Bank Nifty. And I wish, I hope you all have minted money out of it, right? Because the mood was completely bearish related to Bank Nifty, right? So this is what we posted related to it, and it was good day. Many of you have minted good money out of it, right? So what lies ahead now? So as per option chain, right? This is option chain, and of Bank Nifty, this is basically open interest tool. And if we look at this point, yesterday there was very handsome amount of call writing that was available at 31,500, 31,600. Today obviously it has got increased, and when finally a big dip that came in the market, it ultimately got given more conviction to all these call writers which were below 31,500 strike. And all the put writing that was happening yesterday, all of it got unwinded today completely. It got unwinded till 31,000. That's what I can say. Till 31,000 it has got unwinded, but still there is some sort of writing, put writing that is available at 30,900, 30,800, and 3,700. And the biggest put writing that is till now available is currently at 3,500 strike. And definitely, now obviously Bank Nifty has changed is a pivot level, right? The 31,000 has become now the pivot level. So what lies ahead? As of now, we know that writers who are highly active, they have more conviction at 31,000 and above, but 31,100 and 31,200 has not got a very good amount of call writing till now, right? Maybe they will be, a market might auction little bit. It starts a little bit retracement back to the upper level, start testing the upper end, and finally move down, right? That can also be the possibility, right? Because see, there are very unusual volumes at the bottom that have taken place today, right? They can be buying volume as well, right? So beware of that. If at all there is a gap down opening, and then immediately market is drifting back to the previous day's range, try not to take a short position then, right? because today market, this is a very unusual volume that has taken place in Bank Nifty. Look at this volume profile. These volumes are really big at the bottom, right? They can be buying volume as well, right? So there can be, a possibility as well that Bank Nifty, if at all, if it is opening gap up or little bit with upper gap, and then again it is slowly moving up down, and finally moving swiftly back to the upper level. That is also a possibility in Bank Nifty, right? But if at all it is opening gap down, then the important and it is not opening, it is not even breaking this particular level, which is carrying very good, this is very high volume, which is available at 30,900. As per volume profile, you can consider this as pivot for tomorrow. On Monday, 30,900 pivot can be considered. If there is a gap up opening and this point is acting as a support, you can take a buy position here. But I would personally not buy in this kind of fall. I would not buy because you know there are still chances that market can give a better fall. I would prefer shorting. So if I want to short, what are the important levels for me to short? Important levels are lying at the upper end, which is just above the value area high. So what you can do, you can mark these levels for 31,250 is very good resistance. These are all futures level on the upper end, right? This is the first good resistance that is available on the upper end. On the downside, the first and foremost and important levels that are available for Bank Nifty is between 30,470 to 30,360. That is a roughly 100-point range. So big first big support at bottom will be 30,000 and 30,460. You can say 460 to 360. 30,460 to 30,360. These are the futures level which are very important, that are the strongest support that are available. If they are, even if they are getting broken, then again there is one more beautiful and biggest support that is still available in Bank Nifty on the downside, which is obviously all these supports and resistance, they get broken, right? But they will get broken only if there is big set of volumes, like the volumes that have taken place today, right? These are the volumes which are required in order to break these support areas, right? If no volume or any slow movement of prices are taking place, so for example, if prices are moving down in this area, and then they are stopping here again and again, then any point of time, if they are reversing, you are good to buy, right? You are good to buy because this will definitely act as a support area, right? And the next barrier, which is as per daily market profile of Bank Nifty, this is a definite area and the biggest support area, that is this one, which is basically 29,500. That is the biggest support area. After breaking that, Bank Nifty will again enter into big bearish trend. There will be definite big bearish trend, but till now obviously Bank Nifty has fallen today tremendously. It has fallen really well, and if we look at the Fibonacci retracement, it has fallen from 61.8% retracement only. This is what it has done. This was 61.8% retracement, so it has fallen exactly from 61.8% retracement, and now it is down to 38.2% retracement, where it has stopped. So 3302, as per the next retracement level is basically this one, 3302, and it is also coinciding, little bit coinciding with our level, which is the support level, which is available between 460 to 460 to 360. This is the just above this level. So instead of I would instead of targeting 302, I can target for 360 to 460. This is the level which I can target definitely. And this, if at all, bank nifty is opening gap down and again moving and pushing the prices further down, then this area is the first area, which is 3460 to 360, which will definitely act as a biggest support for bank nifty, right? If at all bank nifty is reaching there, you can wait for prices to again start taking reversal. Once it starts reversing again, you are good to buy, right? You are good to, in fact, exit from your position, short position, right? And that's what you can do. But if at all bank nifty starts retracing right from the morning only, it again starts pushing the prices back to the upper level, then then these are the important, then this is the only important level which is available as of now in bank nifty, which is 31,250, right? There is one more level, which is order flow. As per order flow, there is one more level, which is this one, where the auctioning reversal have market has also tested twice. When market fell today tremendously, so after falling, it went up, and it also got rejection two times from this particular area. So 31,170 to 31,130, this is the area where bank nifty can also take rejection, right? So 31,170 to 31,130 is also one area which you can also look for. Watch out if at all bank nifty is again moving up to 31,000, right? If it is again crossing 31,000, then these are the first resistance areas that are available. So R1 I can write down as so R1 in bank nifty, R1 is equal to 170 to 130. This can act as first. If this R1 is getting broken with volume, then R2 in bank nifty will be 31,250, right? That is the second important resistance level that is available on the upper end. On the bottom end, the first support as per market profile will be 3652. Yeah, obviously it will be 3652 620 S1, and that will happen. This support level will be achieved. Bank nifty will reach there only if bank nifty breaks today's low with volume, right? If it is getting broken tomorrow with volume, today's low, if it is getting broken with volume tomorrow, then you can expect this as first target, 3650 to 620 as your first target. And if that is also getting broken with volume, then you will get the biggest support, that is S2 in bank nifty will be 3460 to 360. This is very 30 360. That is very big support, right? This is big support. So watch out for these levels in Bank Nifty, and option chain has not yet completely, these writers have not yet, 31,100 and 31,200 have not yet got written completely with very good conviction as of now. 31,000 has definitely got written with conviction. These writers have not yet unwinded, so there are chances, there is still a possibility that Bank Nifty might again retrace up, but that I personally feel that retracement will take place just to just for them, these writers to just exit from their position. That is a possibility, right? But definitely there is very big amount of you know writing that has taken place at 31,200 100 to 31,000, definitely, right? So these are the two levels, and futures we have already, and futures are still carrying very good amount of short positions today, right? So the as per volume profile, the important area which is to be washed out is the big volumes. Just a minute, let me just make it, yeah. So yeah, this big volume 3894, this should be, these are very unusual volumes. They can be buying volumes as well, right? I'm not denying that as well, right? So they can be very buying volume. It will depend upon whether Bank Nifty is opening gap up or gap down, and whether it is taking support from 3890, or it is taking resistance from 3890 if it is opening gap down, right? That is that will be the important point to be taken into consideration for tomorrow's trading session, right? So I'll just make a screenshot of this, and I'll post it in Bank Nifty channel for all of you. The level is 30. Yeah, roughly you can say 3,800 or 900. 3,900 is what you should also be looking for. Let me just make it smaller. Right. So this is 3,900 is should also to be watched, can act as pivot for tomorrow, right? It can become support, it can also become resistance. 3,900 roughly I'm saying, right? So this can also can act as a sub, and this can definitely act as a pivot point. It can become support, it can also become resistance, depending upon gap up or gap down opening, right? This will definitely have a meaning, right? So if at all there is a gap up opening and then Bank Nifty is again swiftly moving down, and taking support in this area and then again moving up, then you know definitely we can expect Bank Nifty to again test the upper level. The upper level, first level will be 31,170 to 130. Second level will be definitely 31,250, right? If there is a gap down opening, and Bank Nifty is taking resistance from 3,900, if it is moving up, if at all it is moving up, and taking resistance from 30,900, and then moving down, you're good to short. The first target that you can keep will be 3650 to 620, and support, second support, if that is also getting broken with volume, then 3460 to 360. That is also what you can also target for in the coming days, right? But this is a very big support that should also be taken care of. I can write down here bank Nifty, important levels for next coming days. So this is all about bank Nifty for as of now. Those who want to join it, those who want to learn it, they can contact us on this number 9599634604. That is the number, and if you have facing any problem related to your trading or anything, you want to talk to me, you can also talk to me. All right, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you for listening to me. Bye bye, take care and have a lovely weekend.